Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you one more day of progress. So the very first progress you see here, right? Okay, this light has been installed here and it works. I have already checked about it, but this looks stylish, isn't it? Well, it does look to me, and I'll be installing more here, okay, outside near my area, so that there is no issue for anybody who wants to come in and or go out. Okay, now let me open this place. Okay, now I'm inside the place. Now let me show you some changes that they have done today. Today was not much work. An electrician came to install fire alarms in upper units. In all my living rooms, he has installed, and even my old fire alarms have been changed. Now here one major thing has been installed. This is like I think it is called duct fire detector or something it is called, so that if there's any fire here in the furnace, it's gonna turn the furnace off so that that fire does not propagate to the whole house. That's what it is here. That's nice, and this is a new city requirement too, so that has been installed. Coming here, some cleanliness was done. Okay, in for other things that are done today, uh, this sink has been installed, water connection has been established. It does work, no doubt. Okay, perfect. This is the smoke alarm, I would say, it has been installed. You see this, and this is nice. Like, what it does is, this is a new generation smoke alarm, so this just doesn't generate noise. It flashes and it tells you like fire, and even if at night you are sleeping, let's say you are sleeping here and you are in a dark room, if this alarm goes on, you will be like illuminating lights all the way around with sound and noise, so that you are gonna get up easily. It has been installed in this room also. So two fire alarms have been installed in basement, and in the upper unit, like in all my rooms have been installed, and even in the common area, living area, they have installed as well. Okay, one more thing they did was they connected this duct pipe, and it will go over there, like they will connect somehow that dryer exhaust to here, so that it goes to the duct. Washroom is fully done now. Okay, hot water, cold water, all are working. The standing shower. So now it is ready to be used, and I'm not sure, might be workers are already using it, right? Because from last few days no worker has come upstairs to use my washroom, so probably they are using it already, but that's okay, no problem with that. Now the remaining part here is this door. This will come. Okay, these things are ready, and after panel upgrade that is scheduled day after tomorrow, it will be like all sockets will have the electricity, and these things will be done. These things will be ready. Wow, that's nice, really. This is nice too, no doubt. Okay, yeah, that's what the progress is today for guys, and we have a building inspection tomorrow. Let's see how things go. Some things that have been pointed, like you see the gaps here, I have pointed this out. So what they told me is that after this door is installed at the panel, they are gonna fix this. I said okay, fine, no problem, as long as they proceed with the plan. I was suggested to get an island here too, but I said no, I don't want. Budget is already overcrossed. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Let me show you the lights. Okay, Let me see if I can show you. I think I can. Not sure. Oh yeah, see, it's not night time, so that's why you're not seeing it full. This one I'm not sure how it goes on and off. I'll ask him. Maybe that goes on only at night, not sure. But still it generates good electricity here. And for my stairs, I did not notice one thing, but I'll show you from here. It seems they have already put the cement. Last time when I said, probably they put the cement already at the corner, so that's good. One more issue fixed. I'm not sure if they should fix these small, what do you call, potholes. I don't know what these are called, these things, but I'll ask them. If not, at least I'll try to paint it something, or let's see. I don't want to say something about this because I'm not sure at this moment. Yeah, these will be finished for sure. This will be finished for sure, and from there it will go. So thanks for watching this video, guys.